Hello everyone, I am Shashank. Today I am going to explain about Indus Valley drainage and water supply system. The Indus civilization is the most popular civilization in the world due to its advanced urban planning, water supply system and drainage system. The timeline of this civilization is between 2600 to 1900 BCE and the geographical location in the present day is Pakistan and northwest India alongside the Indus River and its tributaries. The major cities of Indus Valley civilization were Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Urban planning. The urban planning includes standardized bricks, grid-based layouts, and systematic drainage networks. Historical significance. The Indus people were the first to recognize that the proper sanitation and the water management were essential for urban life. The features of Indus cities are grid pattern layout. Streets were laid out in a precise grid pattern. It consists of rectangular blocks which were efficient for the navigation. The main roads running from north to south and west to east. Planned streets and houses. Buildings were constructed using standardized baked bricks with uniform size, which ensures the structural stability and the aesthetic consistency is maintained throughout the city. Hygiene priority. Every house had bathrooms and toilets, which are connected to the main drainage system, demonstrating that personal hygiene was considered essential for public health. Overview of drainage system. The drainage system was designed to carry wastewater away from houses and public areas. It consisted of both household connections and main street drains that interconnected throughout the city. The importance of drainage system is to prevent water stagnation and flood during monsoons, reduce spread of waterborne diseases in densely populated areas, maintain cleanliness in throughout the city, protected structural foundations from water damage. Due to the drainage system, the daily life was easy for the people of Indus civilization. Citizens didn't need to worry about standing water and waste accumulation as the drains carried out everything efficiently. Structure of drainage system. It consists of covered drains, which means that drains were covered with bricks or stone slabs to prevent debris from entering and to contain odor, which allowing easy access for maintenance through inspection holes. Baked brick construction. High quality baked bricks were used instead of sun dried ones, making the drains waterproof and resistant to erosion from constant water flow. Underground channels. Main drains were built underground beneath streets with a gradual slope, ensuring gravity powered water flow without the mechanical pumps. Household drainage system. In Indus Valley civilization, every house consists of bathrooms, regardless of size, including dedicated bathroom area usually located on the ground floor near an exterior wall. These bathrooms were connected through the main drainage system using a small drain pipe, creating a continuous flow path. Water flow design. The bathroom floor was slightly sloped towards the drain opening, ensuring all wastewater naturally flowed into the pipe. Private sanitation. Having private bathroom meant families didn't need to use public facilities, reducing disease transmission and maintaining the privacy. Now, as we studied about household drainage system, let us study about street drainage system. Main drains along roads. Large covered drains ran along both sides of the main street, collecting wastewater from multiple houses simultaneously and channeling it towards collection points. Here, the collection points are located far from the cities. Interconnected network. Smaller household drains connected to larger street drains and which are connected to even larger main drains, creating a hierarchical system that efficiently managed the water flow. Slopes for water flow. Every drain was built with a slight downward slope, typically of 2 to 3 degrees, ensuring wastewater flowed continuously by gravity without the need of pumps or mechanical assistance. Now let us study how the drainage systems are maintained. Inspection holes and manholes. Regular inspection holes were placed alongside the drains, covered with removable stone slabs, allowing workers to check for blockage and perform cleaning operations. Soak pits. Soak pits were constructed where wastewater could percolate into the ground, filtering impurities naturally and recharging groundwater supplies. Workers would remove the stone covers reach into the drains with long tools to clear the blockages, and periodically flush the system with clean water to maintain the flow efficiency. Now let us study about the water supply system. Along with the drainage system, the water supply system also plays the crucial role for the civilization. The Indus people needed clean water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, and irrigation. The sources of water were wells dug into the groundwater aquifers, rainwater harvesting during monsoon season, rivers and seasonal streams for larger needs, storage tanks for dry season usage. Now let us study about the sources of water, that is well system. Private and public wells. Many homes had private wells in courtyards for convenient access, while public wells served areas without private access, ensuring water availability for all the citizens. Construction and design. Wells were lined with circular rings of baked bricks, creating stable walls that prevented collapse. The brick rings were precisely fitted and mortar sealed to prevent contamination. Easy accessibility. While openings were positioned at convenient heights with stone or brick covers when not in use to prevent debris from falling in and contaminating the water. Thanks for joining the presentation. I hope you gained enough knowledge about this. Please like, share, and subscribe.